Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. If you want to sign out of all the devices on your Netflix account and you are looking for the tutorial, in today's video, we will be guiding you through the steps. So without any delay, let's just dive right in. For that, you can start by opening up the Netflix application itself. Go ahead and log in into your Netflix account, and you should be finding this dashboard right here with your home with all of the shows available, recommended shows, and you can look out for your profile in the top right corner and click on it. Once you click on it here, this menu appears on your screen. Now what you may do is from the menu, look out for the account option and go ahead and click on it. And after you click on it, different account option appears here. What you may do is basically go ahead and scroll to the given options and go to the settings. And under settings, look out for the option called sign out of all the devices. So go ahead and find that option right there. And once you find it up, you just need to go ahead and click on that option. And just go ahead and confirm it up. It will ask you, are you sure that you want to log out or sign out of all the devices? You just need to go ahead and confirm it up by clicking on the sign out option, confirm it up. And once it is completed, you will be signed out of all of the devices on Netflix. And that's it. So therefore, everybody, if you'd also like to sign out from Netflix, you may just head over and follow up these steps for that. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.